So let's move on. This is our 9th class. We are going to discuss about the idea of estimating the required press stress that you need to have on your girder. So the required number of strands usually governed by the concrete tensile stresses. At the bottom, fiber for the load combination serves 3 at the section of maximum moment or at the harp points. For estimating the number of strands, only the stresses at midspan are considered. But we must also know what is a strength limit state. Strength limit states are intended to preserve the safety of a structure and of all its parts against extreme loads to which a structure might be subject to during its service life. As another example, the safety of a bolted joint in a steel structure has to be checked against 4 limited states: shear strength of bolts, bearing strength of the joint, tension strength of the connected parts, and block shear strength of the gusset plate. So this is an example of what you have to take care of when you are planning, designing a bridge, a press-stressed bridge. Let me show you guys. This equation here is going to show us the concrete tensile strengths at bottom fiber of our beam. All right, so FB, you take into account these amounts here. I'm explaining the terms, what mg, ms, mb, mss, m, load truck, sb, sbc are all shown here for you to remember what we are talking about. These amounts of many moments were previously calculated on this course, so please pay attention. If you can't remember, go back to the classes where we define the composite section of our girder. So this is the amount of stress that we need to take into account for the 879 KSI. So in the next class, we are going to take the entity, the amount of strands, define where it is located on your bridge. All right, so guys, this is an honor for me to be with you, showing you, teaching you. I want to listen to you. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment down below. I am very happy to answering it. So see you next time.